Hi, this is Ilango Balakrishnan. I would like to take a few moments to talk about the Samhita Academy. My kids are studying in 9th standard. It has been 2 years journey for them. And before joining TSA, my kids were lacking in science, mathematics, general in studies. But after joining TSA, we could see a lot of difference in them. Their studies have been improved. They are very confident. And the way that they're progressing, we are very happy about it. I believe it is because of the school, mainly teachers, their efforts, and they're giving personal attention to the kids, and they're motivating a lot to the kids. So, which is we feel very important for any kids to improve their studies. In generally, our opinion about TSC is they're very well organized, and the administration is very good. Anything they think ahead of the schedule, so very well planned and organized. So that's what we like about TSA, and I'd like to thank Pushpaja madam and all the teachers and associates. So thank you so much.